Hello everyone, just a new quick video to give you some tips and tricks. Let's say you have this title, which is a bit boring title with the normal typo, let's say. What you could do is just play a bit and make it bold, increase a bit the size, for example, and then you would just duplicate it. Remember that the new duplicate is in front in terms of layers. So let's say the first one stays black for the purpose of this example. And the new one will change to, I don't know, like purple, why not? And then you will drag it and you try to put in the top left to get this nice 3D depth effect, call it whatever you want. And here you go, you have a better title. And second trick, it's the same trick actually, but with icon it works super well also. This is the basic diskette, a bit boring, right? But we'll do the same thing. Duplicate. Sorry for the noise. We duplicate. We keep the first one, which is in the back already black, and the second one we can make it this time pink. Why not? And we will do it same. We put on the top left a bit. Now, what you can do also is so you can put it here. You can try to be a bit more on top, a line, which is a nice effect, or same on the left. Sorry, too much. Well, anyway, it works. Or like this. So you can just play a bit around with it. Works with quite a lot of stuff in Mural actually. So yeah, have fun and try to give some depth, sorry for my English, to your workshop illustration. Thank you for watching and see you soon.